Welcome. In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Vibe 7 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch by using the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the FitCloud Pro application with this icon. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the FitCloud Pro application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you can tap on device icon, and on the device page you should see your Vibe 7 Pro. You need to wait until the watch is done connecting with your phone, and once it's connected you can scroll down, and here you should see the Restore Factory Settings option. Tap on it, then tap on Restore, and wait. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.